Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to add a link on your LinkedIn articles. So you can see it right here. I'm going to publish this article, and I just thought of recording this video to make my audience understand how to add any link on an article on LinkedIn. See, I have written all the thing here. You can see it right here. Now, whatever things you can see in blue color, you can see it right here. So that's a link. Okay. So if I click there, you can see this, it will come to a link, and now if I am clicking here, it will redirect me to a landing page. You can see it right here. Okay, again, if I go downside, you can see it right here, contact me if you have any online marketing needs. So again, contact me is in blue color, that is, it is also a link. So if I click there, so you can see this, it will redirect me to a website. You can see it right here. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So firstly, once we are done with the writing part of our content here, so firstly you need to understand the type of words that you can select to put a link. See, I am running a digital marketing agency, or say online marketing agency, where we used to provide all sorts of online marketing services, be it writing, graphic designing, or like any sort, say graphic designing or social media marketing, SEO, paid campaign, email marketing, then video marketing. Like you can think of any online marketing services, and we just provide it. Okay, so here we need to select the word very wisely. Now here also, if you see it right here, if I pick this word and if I go to my website, and from there if I click on my digital marketing services, and if I take the link from there, and if I come back again here, and they see, you can see this here. Firstly, we need to select the word that we are going to choose to put a link on, and then you can see this option here, link. Just click there and then paste the link there. I have pasted the link that I copied from here. Okay, now I am clicking on apply. Once done, you can see it blue. So this is the way we can add any link to our articles on LinkedIn. Okay, you can also try it. So doing this, it will be a kind of, say, branding of your website, or it can be a personal website also, personal like personal branding website also. So yeah, you can just try it. Whatever blogs you are writing on LinkedIn, you can just put some links there. And even if you are doing it for your clients, so you can again add the links of your client's website. So yeah, just try it. And yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.